Do you have a broken auxiliary port on your 2009 Toyota Camry or similar vehicle? Well, watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how easy it is to do yourself with a minimal amount of tools. Here is the part and the part number. I will leave a link in the description so you can easily buy it.
The first thing we're going to do is remove these right here. You can do that by just using your hand. We're going to do that here, the same.
Now, in order to proceed, we need to move the shifter back to 2L.
Now, from the driver's side, there's this little tab right here above the P. All right, the best way to do this is to take your screwdriver, little flathead screwdriver, and come in from the front this way, just like that, and push in. We're going to go ahead and lift this up right here. And now you will see a switch in there that we can move to move this shifter. I know someone's going to want to see it, so see this little tab right here? That guy right there? You're going to go ahead and press, get that screwdriver, and push him that way. Now the shifter will move. Okay, once you've moved that tab in that direction towards the passenger door, you go ahead and take your shifter and move it all the way back. Now we've got a screw here and a screw there. Take a screwdriver and loosen them up. And you could probably pop it right there. Drop it in there so you don't lose them. And now you'll notice that this plastic piece is holding it down. We can go ahead and remove him simply by prying here carefully again with your small screwdriver. Plastic screwdriver or plastic would be better. Take your time. Do not break this. If you break it, don't worry, don't have a heart attack. You can go ahead and find the new one in a junkyard. I promise you, they're probably all over the place. This is a common car. And now you can just angle it completely out of the way. Okay, guys, you're going to have to pry the whole console to get this guy out. You can almost do it with your fingers. Go in with your fingers, start prying, and you'll notice it'll come right out. Okay, I found it a bit easier to just unsnap this guy here. He's just a few snaps. You got two in the front, two on the side, and two in the back right here. And this way you could turn it that way. And this is the part that's really holding down. You take the whole console off. Remember, it's just pulling with your fingers. I didn't even need any special tools, any plastic tools to really pry that portion of the console out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and undo this guy here. He comes right out just like that. Now you should be able to take the whole console up and out. Just like that, guys. Now we should be able to take this guy out simply by pulling. And not pulling hard because there's going to be cables in the back that you want to get to. And they're right there, guys. There's your traditional cigarette lighter or power supply, if you want to call it that. And then right back here is your auxiliary connector right there. We're going to go ahead and unhook him from the back.
Let's get you up close so that you could see the part much better.
We can easily see the auxiliary unit right there that has two compression tabs on each side, so you can easily squeeze and it should come right out. Now those tabs are kind of hard to see. They're right there, and there's one just like it on the other side. After you squeeze those two tabs, you need to push inward so that this will go in like that. Now we got to go ahead and pull this guy out right here. This is the connector. Don't put strain on this. So you need to go around it and press down and then pull outward. Okay, and now this guy will push right in.
Take a moment to inspect your old part for any burn spots or anything that would be a reason for it not working, besides it needing to be replaced. And also compare it to your new part. Make sure that they match exactly.
Now all you have to do is slide it in there and push in. Now as you slide in, this only goes pretty much only one way. Pushed in, and I heard a nice satisfying click right there. As you can see, the tabs are sticking out just like the other one was. Now let's go ahead and connect the electrical portion. All right, so we're grabbing it. We're going to slide it in there just like that, and we're going to push in. To put it back together, we're going to go ahead and start by sliding this guy back in. As you slide it in, you'll notice there's a tab here and there's a tab down here that guide everything. So make sure you slide it in the right way You'll know it's hung correctly when there's no play and your screw holes are actually visible right there.
Now it's time to reinstall your screws.
Now with this installed, we just need to go ahead and start putting the console, or this upper portion of the console, back, and it should just go just like this.
Don't snap it in yet. You're going to want that second piece to do it right.
We should go ahead and just loosely pop it there. So we still need to put this guy in, right? Don't snap it yet. We're going to go ahead, and you'll notice this has these tabs right there, and they need to slide into there. So make sure you're planning accordingly as you go to put this in so that it all snaps together here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just lightly aim those guys right there, and then we're going to go ahead and just start snapping it all back in, just like you did when you took it off. All right, now we're pretty much almost there. Just going to start clicking it in. There you go. Now we just need that little piece replaced.
Now you know what you need to do here. You need to screw it on righty-tighty.
We're just going to do hand tight here. Now we've got these guys right here, the decorative little pieces here. We're just going to slowly align them, and then it should just be a pressing action to get them aligned. Remember, none of this is using a lot of strength to do. Make sure make sure you use finesse. That's what it's all about.
And it's that simple, guys. I hope this video helps somebody out there. That's the reason why I make these videos. This is Ed the Old Tech Guy telling you I love you, and I'm signing off.